Rompiscatole
is what you would call a person who's a pain in the neck, a nuisance, or a pest in Italian. It's made up of two components, the verb
rompere,
to break, and the plural noun
scatole.
boxes. So literally it translates as box breaker.
Rompiscatole.
It's important to note that this particular noun doesn't change in its feminine or plural forms. The best way to figure out the number or the plurality of rompiscatole is to look at the article that precedes it. For example,
È un rompiscatole.
he's a pain in the neck.
È una rompiscatole.
She's a pain in the neck.
Il mio collega è un gran rompiscatole. Non lo sopporto più.
My colleague is a big pain in the neck. I can't stand him anymore. Just as there are rude variations on pain in the neck in English, so too are there numerous vulgar alternatives in Italian. One of the most common is
Rompipalle.
it literally means ball breaker, with palle referring to the testicles. As with any vulgar slang, feel free to use these words with your close friends and easygoing family members, but try not to let them slip out in front of your nonna.
Che rompipalle che è il nonno. Oh, scusa nonna, non ti ho sentita entrare. Volevo dire che gentile che è il nonno.
What a pain in the butt Grandpa is. Oops, sorry, Grandma. I didn't hear you come in. I wanted to say how nice Grandpa is.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.